10 Commandments of Computer Ethics. Number 1. Thou shalt not use a computer to harm other people. This rule emphasizes the importance of not using technology to cause harm, whether physical, emotional, or financial to others. Number 2. Thou shalt not interfere without other people's computer work. It promotes respecting others' productivity and not disrupting their work through malicious software or other means. Number 3. Thou shalt not snoop around in other people's computer files. This commandment stresses the importance of privacy and not accessing other personal or work files without permission. Number 4. Thou shalt not use a computer to steal. It prohibits using computer to thief, including data, identity theft, and financial fraud. Number 5. Thou shalt not use a computer to bear false witness. This rule discourage spreading misinformation or lies using computer technology. Number 6. Thou shalt not copy or use proprietary software for which you have not paid. It addresses software piracy and promotes respecting intellectual property rights. Number 7. Thou shalt not use other people's computer resources without authorization or proper composition. This commandment focuses on not using others' hardware. Number 8. Thou shalt not appropriate other people's intellectual output. It prohibits plagiarism and taking credit for others' work. Number 9. Thou shalt think about the social consequence of the program you are writing or the system you are designing. This rule encourages developers to consider the broader impact of their work on society. Number 10. Thou shalt always use a computer in ways that ensure consideration and respect for your fellow human.